Here we are doing a early morning visit to our successful project, Clarks Exotica.
That looks cool. I can't wait for the next 6 to 9 months to see this progress in terms of whatever we're showing on 3D.
Here we are doing a early morning visit to our successful project, Clarks Exotica. It's a 45 villas with Clarks as our operational partner. As one of the investor as well as the promoter of this project, we would like to now do a walkthrough of the project.
Oh, finally we're here. It's about 11 a.m. now. What a sight this is. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I can see some lush paddy fields that side. Just imagine, clovers at one end and our villa right on top. We started early today, about 6 a.m. If you live at that time, it's about a 3.5 hours drive. The roads are fantastic all the way. And now that I'm here, seeing the site in person, I'm genuinely lucky to be one of the investors here. At Axial Real Estate, we don't just sell projects. We look at first if we as consumers will be able to consume this project, and only then do we recommend it to our community of investors and buyers. Here I am showcasing you the exact project of what we're trying to sell, and I can't wait for the next 6 to 9 months to see this progress in terms of whatever we're showing on 3D.